What's up guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP DeskJet 4100 or any other printer from the same series giving you trouble printing? This can happen for a number of reasons like low ink levels, incorrect print settings, connection problem and more. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through 2 quick and easy fixes to get your printer up and running again in no time. And if you need any extra support, feel free to reach out at the numbers on the screen for a quick expert help. Now, let's dive right in and get the printer working again. Method 1. Hard reset your HP printer. For the first step, you need to ensure that the printer is on and then load some sheets of paper into the paper feeder tray. After that, press and hold the power and cancel button for around 15 seconds. Next, your printer will print a page, and the problem should be resolved. If the printer hard reset is unable to get your printer printing again, then let's move on to the next solution. Also, if you're facing any other problem with your printer, then let us know in the comment section. Method 2. Clean your printer roller. First of all, you need to remove the screws from the front side of the printer. Then, go to the back side of the printer where the document feeder is located and unscrew the screws. After that, check inside and remove any piece of paper stuck there. Also, clean the rollers inside. Next, put everything back and see if the printing problem is resolved.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.